फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री। फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री में हम बात कर रहे हैं फेज रूल। अब फेज रूल में आगे का टॉपिक है टाइप ऑफ पार्शियली मिसिबल लिक्विड सिस्टम। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। टाइप ऑफ partially miscible three component system. Type of partially miscible three component system. So, whenever three components are in a gaseous form, three components gaseous form, so only one phase occurs. But three components is liquid, so three possibilities. Are in a gaseous form, so only one possibility. But three components are in a liquid phase, so three possibilities occur for a liquid. First one is liquid is partially miscible each other. So क्या मीनिंग हुआ इसका? Liquid is partially miscible with each other. Whenever two liquids is different in a some quantity dissolve with each other, it's called partially miscible. Next is liquid is completely miscible with each other. Liquid is completely miscible with each other. ऐसे दो लिक्विड और मोर देन टू लिक्विड जो आपस में हम मिक्स करें so convert into one phase. It's called liquid is completely miscible with each other. And third one, liquid is immiscible with each other. Liquid is immiscible with each other. ऐसे लिक्विड जो हम मिक्स करें बट उसके ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में ही वो रहे, आपस में मिक्सेबल नहीं है, उसे कहते हैं इमिसिबल लिक्विड. सो हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दी वन पेयर ऑफ पार्शियली मिसिबल लिक्विड सिस्टम. वन पेयर ऑफ system. So here we can take three liquid: acetic acid, chloroform or water. Our three liquid is acetic acid, chloroform and water. So acetic acid consider as A. इसको हम A कह देते हैं, इसको क्लोरोफॉर्म को B नेम और वाटर को C नेम दे देते हैं. So one pair of partially miscible liquid system. Our header is one pair of partially miscible liquid system. So in this liquid two liquid like partially miscible with each other. So here chloroform and water, B and C liquid is partially miscible. B and C liquid is partially miscible with each other, and liquid A is completely miscible in B and C both liquid. But B and C are completely miscible in acetic acid. So here B and C mix with each other. B and C mix and shake it. B and C mix and shake it. We know that partially miscible है, so अलग अलग लेयर में सेपरेट हो गए. So separated in layer. For one pair of partially miscible liquid system A, B और C. हमें पता है A means acetic acid, B means chloroform and C means H2O. So B and C are partially miscible with each other, and here B and C mixed and separated, so separated in two layers. So here become two layers A and B. This separated layer is known as a conjugated. Conjugated solution. Conjugated solution. So A and B, this both are separated layer. So here we can add acetic acid, chloroform and H2O liquid in adding acetic acid. We adding acetic acid, so धीरे धीरे इसकी solubility increase होती जाएगी both side, because chloroform and water both are mixable in acetic acid. point equilibrium established. And make uniform mixture. So, क्या कहा हमने? Acetic acid bromide is added in B and C solution. So, धीरे धीरे क्लोरोफॉर्म और वाटर की solubility increase हो जाएगी और एक पॉइंट ऐसा आएगा जहाँ solution become uniform. Now we are not separated different chloroform and water. They are become uniform. एक जैसे ही हो जाएंगे. उससे वो जो पॉइंट है उसे कहते हैं फ्लैट पॉइंट. फ्लैट पॉइंट. So here point B is known as flat point. And this curve known as Mendel curve, ABB curve, ABB is known as Mendel curve. Mendel curve. So outside the dome, ये जो कर्व है, ये जो डोम है, उसके बाहर का जो पार्ट है मीन्स ये वाला, आउटसाइड जो डोम, ये वाला पार्ट वो बिकम होमोजीनियस. Outside the dome, this part become homogeneous. Homogeneous में मतलब कि वो अब एक दूसरे में सेपरेटेड नहीं हो सकते, यूनिफॉर्म बन चुके हैं. And inside the dome, part is heterogeneous. Inside the dome, heterogeneous, and outside the dome, homogeneous. So we can write like that. Outside the dome, is homogeneous. Is homogeneous. Or inside the dome, inside the core is heterogeneous. आउटसाइड द डोम इज होमोजेनियस. ये जो बाहर का पार्ट है वो होमोजेनियस में कन्वर्ट हो गया है और जो डोम के अंदर का पार्ट है वो है heterogeneous. But we are adding acetic acid in chloroform and water. So we know that acetic acid, water में acetic acid ज्यादा dissolve होगा compared to chloroform. So here we can this layer like that. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? एसिटिक एसिड वाटर और क्लोरोफॉर्म दोनों में ज्यादा सोल्युबिलिटी एसिटिक एसिड में वाटर की है. सो दिस Now we are talking about the two pair of partially miscible liquid system. In this liquid system, in two pair occur. So two pair of partially miscible liquid system. So three component liquid is here. A is equal to, we can take phenol. B component, we can take H2O or water. Or C component, we can take aniline. So first pair is our phenol and water. This is our one partially pair, and second pair is water and aniline, our second partially pair. So A and B and B and C are partially miscible liquid. Partially miscible liquid. A and C, phenol and aniline is miscible with each other. So here we can draw one diagram. A, B or C. A means phenol, B means H2O or C means aniline. So our first pair is phenol and water and second pair is H2O and aniline. Phenol and aniline are miscible with each other. So these both liquid are mixed with each other. Phenol and water and aniline mixed with each other. So separating in two layers A और B. इसी तरह फिनोल और वाटर जब मिक्स होगा सो सेपरेटेड इन टू लेयर वी डिनोटेड बाय C and D. सो अब धीरे धीरे हम फिनोल और एनिलीन ऐड करेंगे. A and C liquid add in A and B and B and C. So solubility increase. Solubility increase. फिनोल एंड एनिलीन हम ऐड करेंगे सो धीरे धीरे इस पेयर और इस पेयर की सॉल्युबिलिटी इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. सो ऐसे ड्रॉप ड्रॉप वाइज एडिशन होता रहेगा और इक्विलिब्रियम एस्टैब्लिश हो जाएगा. इसी तरह इस पॉइंट में भी solubility increase at a one point equilibrium established at a one point. Here point we denoted by E or here this point denoted by F. So E and F our equilibrium point. So इस ए का मतलब क्या हुआ? ए रिप्रेजेंटेड aniline in water. Aniline in water. Aniline में water होगा. और B represented water in aniline. So क्या मतलब हुआ इसका? Here in this DOM, two conjugated layer appear. Two conjugated layer appear. इसी तरह C का मतलब C represented phenol in water. और D represented water in phenol. Water in phenol. So ये बात हुई इस पॉइंट की. Now we know that solubility increase. A and C liquid add in A and B and B and C liquid, so solubility increase. At one point equilibrium established. So in this curve, point E and point F point E and F is known as flat point. Point E or F is known as a flat point. So हमने जब वन पेयर ऑफ मिसिबल लिक्विड के बारे में बात की थी तब हमने कहा था this curve is known as a binodal curve. AEB and CFD is known as binodal curve. AEB and CFD is known as a binodal curve. We know that inside the DOM heterogeneous layer occur. Inside the DOM heterogeneous solution. This both domain heterogeneous solution. Or outside the DOM homogeneous. Inside the DOM heterogeneous and outside the DOM homogeneous solution. Outside the dome, we can not identical any separate one solution. This mixture become uniform mixture. Outside the dome, mixture will be become uniform mixture. Outside the dome, liquid become uniform. So now we are आउटसाइड द डोम लिक्विड बिकम यूनिफॉर्म. उसको हम सेपरेट नहीं कर पाएंगे. इनसाइड द डोम लिक्विड बिकम heterogeneous solution. Whenever this dome increase this size, डोम की साइज टेम्परेचर पर इफेक्ट करेगी. Whenever temperature increase or decrease, dome size or a curve size change. While lowering the temperature, lowering the temperature, temperature, so this both dome will be spared. While lowering the temperature, जब हम टेम्परेचर को डाउन करते हैं, so dome is spread. धीरे धीरे ये दोनों डोम स्प्रेड हो जाते हैं और become a like a band. This type of diagram we can say A, B or C. Here this both dome are spread. धीरे 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 उसकी साइज इंक्रीज हो जाती है और वन टाइम they become like a merge. स्प्रेड होते होते एक दूसरे में मर्ज हो जाते हैं and become a band. So while lowering the temperature, both domes spread and convert into one band. So ये बात हुई two pair of partially immiscible liquid system. Now we are talking about the three pair of partially miscible liquid system. pair of partially miscible liquid system. So here we can take three liquid is succinic nitrile, second one is H2O or water, or third one is ether. Here succinic nitrile considered as A, ether water considered as B, and ether considered as C. So A, B, C. A means succinic nitrile, B means water, C means ether. So in this liquid system, three pair of partially miscible liquid system. So one pair is A and B, AB. Second one is B and C, and third one is C and A. Is partially miscible liquid pair. So succinic nitrile and water, our first pair. Water and ether, our second partially pair. And third one is succinic nitrile and ether, our third partially miscible pair. So we know that they are separated in a two conjugated solution because they are immiscible with each other. Here is co-denoted by A or B. Here two separated layer is denoted by E or F. और succinic nitrile और ether का जो conjugated solution है denoted by G or H. So we know that whenever add the solution in this, so increase the solubility at point M, N or T. So point M and T. M and T point is known as flat point. And in this figure, three DOM occur: BMB, AMB, ENF, GTH. So DOM in diagram, three DOM is first one is AMB. AMB. Second one is ENF. ENF. And third one is GTH. GTH. So in diagram, three DOM: AMB, ENF, GTH. So now we know that at outside the DOM, outside the dome, homogeneous solution present, or inside the dome, heterogeneous solution present. So outside the dome, heterogeneous solution. Outside the dome, homogeneous solution. And inside the dome, heterogeneous. So outside the dome considered as a one uniform mixture, इसे कहते हैं heterogeneous. Outside the dome mixture become uniform. Outside the dome mixture is uniform. Now we are know that डोम पे टेम्परेचर की इफेक्ट पड़ती है. सो टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज so dome is spread. Whenever टेम्परेचर को हम डिक्रीज करेंगे सो डोम इज स्प्रेड. सो धीरे धीरे ये तीनों डोम एक दूसरे में मिक्सअप हो जाएंगे. सो लाइक डायग्राम लाइक दैट. ये तीनों डोम आपस में स्प्रेड होके मिक्सअप हो गए. सो ए बी सी एंड दिस डोम इज GHT. or this is AB layer and this is EF layer. So we know that outside the dome homogeneous. Homogeneous means one phase, and this dome GHT और ये तीनों डोम में हो गए टू लेयर conjugation. In this dome, so water and succinic nitrile conjugation solution. In this dome, so water and ether conjugation solution. Or in this dome, succinic nitrile and ether solution. So outside the dome, homogeneous, so one phase. Inside the dome, heterogeneous. So two phase. Or in this part, this combined spread part in three solution mixture. succinic nitrile, water and ether. So this mixable part, spread band, three phase occur. So homogeneous, so one phase occur, heterogeneous है two phase. और in this part, in this triangle, and three solution occur, three liquid, so three phase possible. Now we are calculated freedom of degree for a three pair miscible liquid system. So we know that F is equal to C minus P plus 2. Here we are talking about the three component system. So 3 minus P, first of all हम बात करेंगे homogeneous phase. So P is equal to 1 plus 2. So 2 plus 2, 4 for homogeneous. इसी तरह next point heterogeneous. F is equal to C minus P plus 2. 3 component, 2 phase. So freedom of degree 3 for heterogeneous. And last C minus P plus 2, 3 component for spread band, so 3 phase plus 2, freedom of degree 2. So ये बात हुई three liquid component system immiscible with each other.